Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple diverticuli of the urinary bladder. You can see the liver, right kidney. Diverticuli are often an incidental finding on ultrasound imaging. A bladder diverticula is a pouch in the bladder wall that a person may either be born with congenital or get later acquired. A genital bladder diverticulum forms when some of the bladder lining pokes through a weak part in the bladder wall. With acquired diverticula, many pouches often form. You can see a small cyst in the kidney, left kidney, spleen. This is a simple cyst attached to the interior wall of the left kidney. Bladder diverticula occur as a result of focal herniation of the urothelium and submucosa and usually occur in the setting of chronic elevation of intravesical pressure. Pelvic, that is bladder ultrasound, shows a large outpouching of the bladder wall and mucosa projecting from the lumen of the bladder. Now you can see the urinary bladder and two large diverticulum are seen on either side of the posterior wall of the urinary bladder, and you can see the communication between the diverticulum and the urinary bladder. This is one diverticulum and the other lies just beside it. Now you can see both the diverticulum. Trabeculation of the urinary bladder occurs from repeated obstruction in the urethra. When an obstruction occurs, the muscle wall of the bladder have to work too hard to move the urine past the blockage. This leads to thickening of the muscle wall and a loss of elasticity. Now you can see this is the communication between the urinary bladder and the diverticulum. Now this stretching can increase the size of the bladder from about 2 inches to more than 6 inches long, depending on the amount of liquid. The typical human bladder reaches its capacity between 16 to 20 ounces of urine, but the urge to urinate comes when the bladder is about 1/4 full. Now you just had seen the second communication, the communication of the second diverticulum with the urinary bladder. The normal bladder wall had a mean thickening of 2.76 millimeter when the bladder is almost empty, and it is about 1.55 millimeter when it is distended. There is a linear relationship between the bladder fullness and the bladder wall thickness. The upper limit are 3 and 5 mm for a full or empty urinary bladder respectively. Now you can see both the diverticulum seen on either side of the urinary bladder, lower portion of the urinary bladder. A healthy bladder can hold 1.5 to 2 cups, about 300 to 400 ml of urine during a day, and about 4 cups, that is 800 ml at night. It is normal to pass urine 5 to 6 times a day if you drink between 6 to 8 glasses of fluid. Now you can see the labeling and this is the communication between the urinary bladder and the diverticulum. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. You can see some important information in the description of this video.